अद्यतन पंचांगम पंचविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री शोभकृत् नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं शिशिर ऋतुः माघमासः शुक्लपक्षः त्रयोदशी तिथिः पुष्य नक्षत्रं सौभाग्ययोगः तैतिलकरणं बृहस्पतिवासरः. Today's date 22nd February 2024 Thursday. तीर्थेश श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्राधरते पापं योगारोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमं. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु. Shloka from Gita.
We will chant again yesterday's shloka. I will read, you can follow. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Urdhvamūlamatah Shākham Ashvatham Prahuravyayam Chandamsi yasya parnani Yastam veda sa vedavit
ऊर्ध्वमूलम् अधःशाखम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुः अव्ययम् छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यः तं वेद सः वेदवित्. This is the first shloka of Adhyaya number 15. Vedavit, that is the master keyword here. Vedam Veti. Who is there? One who knows, one who understands the meaning of Veda. The essence of the whole Veda is three jakaras. Jagat, Jivaha and Jagadantaryami Bhagavan. These three are the main areas of the Vedas. Three jakaras. Jagat is very, very important for us because we are living in that samsara, Jagat, Gachati, ever moving. So it is Jagat. So this has its own root cause. That is not at the level of root, but it is on the top because it is Brahman. Brahman is the root cause for this Jagat. Jagannatha is the root cause for Jagat. Who is Jagannatha, Lord of this samsara? He is Paramatma. That tree, samsara tree, is well projected in this. But this tree is Ashwatha. It has its own etymological understanding. Shvaha Tishtati, which will be there tomorrow also, day after tomorrow also. Forever, that is Shvastha. Shvastha. Na Shvastha. Ashwatha. That means it is now, but after some time it is not there. Ever rolling, ever temporary, always always transitory. Nothing is permanent. Every particle in this world, it is ashwatha. That means it will be there temporarily. That is the meaning of ashwatha here. Etymologically, it is to be understood. And this ashwatha, it has its own root, that is urdhva. Urdhva means Paramatma. That is why Paramatma is always on the top, not at root level. That is why Dakshina Murtihi. Dakshina word also its own special etymological meaning. Dakshina Shemushi Prokta. Shemushi means that brain power, right brain power. Manavana ಮಸ್ತಿಷ್ಕದ ಊರ್ಧ್ವ ಎತ್ತರದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮಸ್ತಿಷ್ಕದ ಒಳಶಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ, ಮೇಧ, ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾ, ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ. All this creativity, understanding, faith, devotion, memory, all these powers of this urdhva, our own shikhara, that is human brain, that is embodied in the form of Dakshina Murti, embodiment of, replica of, epitome of that urdhva, highest qualities. So that is Paramatma, Jagadantariyavi. He is the root cause for this samsara chakra, urdhva moolam. So that all branches are here, adhasya, and in that branch which is there at the root level, samsara moola, there are only fruits, there are only flowers. That type of specially designed Ashwatha Vriksha, this samsara only we are in it and travelers. There only we have to conduct our whole life journey. Chandamsi yasya parnani. Chandamsi means Veda shakhas, Yajurveda, Rigveda, Samveda, Atharvaveda. They are all branches of this Ashwatha Vriksha. That is how we have to understand. What is that root? What is that top? Both you have to understand. At the top it is Paramatma. At the root it is Jagat and Jiva. That is the special quality of this tree, Ashwatha Vriksha. Little bit complicated, but we have to understand. That is how we have to understand. Today it is that Urdhva Moola, it is specially adored. Today we have just performed the Dakshina Yajna, because this is the Prana Pratishtha of Dakshina Sanidhya here in this ambience. Yoga, Ganapati, Parivara. Here we have installed the Dakshinamurti Swarupa, Urdhva Moolam. That is why it is called Dakshinamurti. That shloka also very important. Please follow. Sit properly. Just now we have performed that yajna. In the context of today's significance, on this particular holy day we have installed Dakshinamurti here. Dakshina is Urdhvam. Moolam, that is the root cause for this world. That is why this very description, it symbolizes that holy day of installation of Dakshinamurti here. Close your eyes. Bring that image of Dakshinamurti who got Akshamala, Rudraksha, and symbol of Jyoti, flame, which symbolizes purest knowledge, and Akshamala, meditation, and Pustaka in another hand, on the another palm, that is also symbol of knowledge, Akshamala. and Chinamudra. That is also the symbol of purest knowledge, Advaita Bhava, Jiva, Brahma. Jivo Brahmaiva na apara. That is the symbol of this. Angushta Tarjani Yoga. Yoga means non-dualistic form. It is there. That is how with his 4 hands he manifests that non-dualistic Jiva Brahmaikya. That Dakshinamurti with this form to be contemplated. Please follow. Vatamule Vasantam Tam Vatamule Vasantam Tam Mauna Vyakhyana Kovidam Mauna Vyakhyana Kovidam Dakshinamurtim Ishanam Adyacharyam Pranamyaham. Speciality of Dakshinamurti is he never utters words. Mauna Vyakhya. Vyakhyanam, description, narration, everything through silence. Mauna Vyakhyanam Kovidam. And Shishyas are old people. But preceptor, great master, Dakshinamurti is young, always smiling. Smitavadanam. That type of form is Dakshinamurti. So, today's Yajna got specially designed Japa. That Japa also we can repeat now. Please sit properly. You are already sitting very well. Samam Kaya Shiro Grivam. Erect. Om Namo Bhagavate. Dakshinamurtaye Me Shabdham Medham Prajnam Shabdham Medham Prajnam Prayachasva Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye Prajnam Medham Medham Prajnam Prayachasvaha Om Namo Bhagavate Dakshinamurtaye Mahyam Medham Prajnam Prayacha Swaha. Swaha is for offering. Offering to Dakshinamurti. Who is Dakshinamurti? He got the highest and purest brain power, that is intuition. And that is supported by Shraddha, Medha, Prajna. Devotion, memory and understanding. That type of Devata is Dakshinamurti. Addressing him, I offer Payasatravyam. With that, today we have performed Dakshinamurti Yajna, aiming at invoking these 3 brain powers: devotion, memory, understanding and creativity. That is the meaning of this mantra. With this mantra today we have performed Yajna. Om.
Suprabhatam, Jai Shri Ram. Today, an auspicious annual day of our Dakshinamurti God, I have an appeal and request to all our, especially student fraternity. So all of you know the CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. Like that we have SSR, Student Social Responsibility. Okay, so we are the students of medical fraternity and we have the social responsibility and healthcare of society. The corporate will fulfill their CSR by monetary benefits because they are strong in that. But we, the students of new generation, are very strong in communication and network through social media. And Eswasa University have been given by many government agencies to control, make a research on control diabetes. India is going to be a diabetic capital soon. So for that, our social media wing, very much run by our young students Vinay and Shashank of both Ayurveda and Naturopathy, have been preparing many awareness bites to prevent diabetes. Our Guruji's talk, like experts talk, many bites. So they will share the links to all in student group. Please you share it. That is your SSR, social responsibility of students, to prevent the diabetes. So that is your strength also. Okay. So you should reach minimum 10,000 people per day through your WhatsApp status, Facebook, etc. Okay. In this auspicious day, make a sankalpa and do that. Today, probably God has decided to bless us every day through in the form of Atithi. So every day we are having one or other the guest. Today we have one more international guest. So it is a very small gratitude if I say international. If Moon is there, Moon, if you have any establishment, Moon, any career, you will also go there also. Such a big personality. So I request Salvatore Gaida, Mr. Salvatore Gaida. Just I will make an introduction. Today I could not focus on shloka where Acharya ji has given lecture because I focused myself to understand his personality throughout the mobile. His university degrees, I am very glad to introduce. Electronic engineer, physicist, pedagogue, school director, post-graduation courses on safety engineering in Brazil and in Japan, and government of Japan to be part of the scientist of Brazil sponsored by JICA, and post-graduation courses in USA and Georgia State University on behalf of ILS, like this. Languages, Portuguese, Spanish, Italian, English, French. And his holistic and he has usually we will make our career in one place in one particular organization. But he worked many organizations in many countries. So in government of USA, country of Nassau, New York, in Japan, Ministry of Labor, in Argentina, country of Buenos Aires, Quality of Life Secretariat in Brazil, country of Sao Paulo, Culture Secretariat, country of Bargania, Polska, SP. And his holistic background, qualification as amateur captain of Brazil Navy to lead actions and sailing boats through international waters all over the earth. Tai Chi Chuan master with more than 35 years of daily practice. The first 15 years learning and practicing with the enlightened genius Tai Chi. So like this list goes on. So tomorrow, 3 days I need to introduce him. Every Maitri. So, I request Honorable Guruji, Minister Sir, to honor him, such a great personality.
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
मॉर्निंग की पेन ड्राइव कॉपी में डाला सुबह